Today I am going to start new topic, that is types of set. But before that, let's recall the definition of the set. Set means a collection of an object only when it is well defined. So here there are 4 types. Here how many types? 4 types of a set. One by one we will see. First type is singleton set. Singleton set are those sets which carries only single element. Second set is empty set or null set. Empty set or null set are those sets which do not carry any element. Such type of a set are known as empty set or null set. Third set is finite set. Finite set are those sets which are limited and we can count that set. So, countable set or limited set are known as finite set. Last is infinite set. Infinite set are those sets which cannot be countable. They are not countable. They are infinite. They are unlimited. Such type of a set is known as infinite set. Now students, one by one we will see all the 4 set examples. So first example is singleton set. Now concentrate here, singleton set. Singleton set contain only one element. Set of all even prime number, that is, when I say even prime number, even number are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Even number are those numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Those numbers are known as even number. Now prime number. Prime number are those numbers which carries only 2 factor. Only 2 factor, not more than 2 factor. Such number are known as prime number. Now here condition is set of all even prime numbers. So here only 2. 2 is the number which is even prime number. That means only here one singleton set. Is that clear? So here we will write set of all even prime number, open curly bracket, 2, close the curly bracket. So 2 is even prime number. So here only single number is there, that is 2. Now next condition, set of months having less than 30 days. Set of months having less than 30 days. Student, which month has less than 30 days? Yes. January contains 31 days. February contains 28 or 29 days. March contains 31 days. April contains 30 days. That means only February is the month which contains less than 30 days. Either it is 28 or 29. So here we will write curly bracket, open curly bracket, February, close the curly bracket. Is that clear? So only one month which contains less than 30 days, that is February. Now next condition, set of months beginning with letter N. So only one month which starts with letter N, that is November. So open the curly bracket, inside that curly bracket write November and close the curly bracket. Is that clear? November, and stand for November. Is that clear? So here sum of months beginning with letter N, that is November. Now last condition, set of natural number. Set of natural numbers which are neither prime nor composite. Very easy. One is neither prime nor composite number. So singleton set. So open the curly bracket. Inside that curly bracket write 1 and close the curly bracket. So these all are the example of singleton set. So what is singleton set? Singleton set are those sets which carries only one element. Such sets are known as singleton set. Now we will see the second set, that is empty set or null set. Students, here I am going to show you one image. Observe that image carefully. See here, there are 2 trolleys. One trolley carries fruits another trolley, there is no fruit, it is empty. See here, this first trolley is empty and second trolley carries lots of fruit. Full trolley is covered with fruits. So here trolley is full of fruits and here empty trolley, no fruits. That means this first trolley is empty. That means this is empty set. There is no fruits inside this. Okay. So first trolley does not carry any fruits. That means this is an example of empty set. Empty set does not carry any single element. Empty set are those sets which does not carry any single element. Such sets are known as empty set. Is that clear? Now student, we will proceed with third type. Third type is finite set. Finite set are those sets which can be countable and they are limited. We can easily count finite set. Is that clear? So that set are known as finite set. Finite set are those sets which can be countable or it is limited. Such set is known as finite set. Let's see the example of finite set. Yes. See here 7 color of the rainbows. We can count now this rainbow's color. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can easily count all the 7 color. Yes. So it is a finite set. Color of the see here 7 color of the rainbow is an example of finite set. Now infinite set. Infinite set here. Infinite set are those sets. See first we will read the definition. Infinite set are those sets which are not countable and they are unlimited, which we cannot count. For example, natural number. We know that natural numbers start from 1, but we don't know which number is the last number. Why? Because it goes on increasing. It goes on. It is continuous. There is a continuation. There is no full stop. Is that clear? So we don't know which number is the last number. It starts from 1, but we don't know the last number. So natural numbers are infinite set. Similarly, whole numbers start from 0. They all are also infinite set. Integer, again, example of infinite set. Negative, positive, but we don't know which number is the last number. So numbers are infinite. Students, now I am going to show you one picture. Now observe that picture carefully. Student, if I say count how many stars, can you count? Yes. When I say count this star in this picture, can you count? Yes or no? No, now why? Because they are unlimited. They are infinite. We cannot count. Why? Because they are unlimited. Is that clear? Now we will see the next slide. Students, see here. This is the page number. This is the page number 4. This is the page number 4 of your. This is the page number 4 of your textbook. It is there in your Maths 1 textbook, page number 4. Read this table carefully. First, understand. Okay. Now there are 4 definitions given here. Types of set. 4 definition, that is singleton set, empty set definition, finite set definition and infinite set definition. Okay. Now one by one we will see. It is same that I have taught you here previous slide. So one by one we will see. Singleton set. Singleton set, a set consisting of a single element is called singleton set. A set which contains only single element are known as singleton set. For example, A is equal to curly bracket 2, curly bracket close. Okay, so this 2 is a even prime number. Now empty set. Empty set are those sets which do not carry any single element are known as empty set, or we can say it is null set. See here nothing is there, no element is there. That means it is a empty set, or we can say this is known as a null set. So x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. So B is equal to curly bracket empty set, or we will write this symbol, that means this denotes null set. Finite set are those sets which are limited and countable. Limited and countable. Elements are limited and countable. Such set are known as finite set. For example, P such that P is a number from 1 to 20 divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means we will take here 4's table. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 16 and 4 5s are 20. Not more than 4 6 are 24. We will not take. Why? Because 22 is the last number here. 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20 we have to take now. So 4 5s are 20. Now infinite set. Infinite set are those sets which we cannot count. Unlimited and uncountable. So n is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, this 3 dot known as ellipsis, curly bracket close. That means the number which start from 1 and goes on increasing, such number are known as finite set. See here, last number is 20. That means it is a finite set. Why? Because there are only 5 numbers inside this curly bracket. These all are finite. But here we cannot count now 1, 2, 3 and the number goes on. So it is infinite. It is an example of infinite set. Natural number is an example of infinite set.